The digital millionaire dream. Is it yours? Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the digital world and claim your spot as a millionaire? It's a dream many chase, but only a few achieve. What sets these digital champions apart? Is it luck, or is it something more? From humble beginnings to game-changing breakthroughs, we're about to dive deep into the journeys of self-made digital millionaires. Names like Jeff Bezos, Mark Zuckerberg, and Ariana Huffington were once unknown dreamers with big ideas. They dared to challenge the status quo, embraced the power of the internet, and built empires that transformed industries. This is your invitation to unlock the digital millionaire within you. Are you ready to rise? From zero to hero, humble beginnings. The road to digital millions often starts with a single step, taken with more passion than resources. Behind every inspiring success story lies a journey marked by humble beginnings, relentless challenges, and the unwavering determination to overcome them. Think about Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, who famously started her empire with just $5,000 in savings. Or consider the story of Gary Vaynerchuk, who transformed his family's local liquor store into a multi-million-dollar wine business by harnessing the power of the internet. These entrepreneurs face the same doubts, fears, and setbacks that many aspiring digital millionaires encounter today. They embraced the unknown, learned from their mistakes, and persevered through the inevitable challenges that come with building something from scratch. Remember, your current situation doesn't determine your destination. It's the size of your dream and the fire in your belly that will propel you forward. The grind before the glory when hustle meets heart. The journey to digital millions is not for the faint of heart. It demands an unwavering work ethic, a relentless pursuit of knowledge, and the tenacity to keep going when the going gets tough. This is the grind before the glory, the period where you're laying the foundation for your digital empire, brick by digital brick. It's about those late nights fueled by passion, the countless hours spent honing your craft, and the unwavering belief in your vision, even when no one else sees it yet. Think of it as an investment, not just of time and effort, but of heart and soul. Every line of code you write, every blog post you publish, every connection you make brings you one step closer to your digital summit. Embrace the grind, find joy in the journey, and never underestimate the power of consistent action. The AHA, moment breakthroughs that change everything. Imagine the moment when everything clicks. The pieces of the puzzle fall into place and your vision bursts into reality. This is the AAA moment, the breakthrough that can catapult you from obscurity to digital stardom. For some, it's a viral video that captures the hearts of millions overnight. For others, it's the launch of a product that solves a pain point in a way no one else has before. It could be a strategic partnership that opens doors to new markets, or a simple tweak to your approach that unlocks exponential growth. Take the story of Ben Silbermann, the co-founder of Pinterest. He struggled for years to gain traction for his image-sharing platform. It wasn't until he started focusing on a niche community of passionate crafters and DIY enthusiasts that Pinterest exploded in popularity. Embrace the detours, learn from your mistakes, and always be on the lookout for that AHA moment. Section 5. Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, Making Sense of Sense. Let's talk about Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, a true inspiration in the world of digital entrepreneurship. Michelle's story began like many others, saddled with student loan debt and feeling financially overwhelmed. Determined to take control of her finances, she started a personal finance blog, Making Sense of Sense, to share her journey and connect with others. What started as a passion project quickly blossomed into a thriving online business. Michelle's authentic voice, practical advice, and relatable story resonated with readers worldwide. She leveraged the power of blogging, affiliate marketing, and course creation to build a multi-million-dollar empire, all while empowering others to achieve financial freedom. Michelle's success is a beacon of hope for aspiring digital entrepreneurs everywhere. It proves that with the right mindset, a solid strategy, and the willingness to put in the work, anyone can achieve remarkable success in the digital world. Section 6. The Digital Success Formula, Your Blueprint to Millions. While there's no magic bullet to overnight riches, there is a proven formula that countless digital millionaires have followed to achieve remarkable success. This formula is not about get-rich-quick schemes or shortcuts. It's about building a sustainable online business that provides value, connects with your audience, and generates lasting income. The first ingredient is finding your niche. What are you passionate about? What problems can you solve? What unique skills and experiences can you offer the world? Next, it's time to build your brand. This is about crafting a unique identity that resonates with your target audience. Finally, you need to master the art of digital marketing. From social media marketing to search engine optimization, email marketing to paid advertising, there are countless tools and strategies at your disposal. Section 7. Niche down and conquer. Finding your sweet spot. In the vast digital landscape, trying to be everything to everyone is a recipe for disaster. The key to standing out and attracting a loyal audience is to niche down and conquer. This means identifying a specific target market with unique needs, desires, and challenges that you are passionate about serving. Start by identifying your passions, interests, and areas of expertise. What problems can you solve? What solutions can you offer? What unique perspective can you bring to the table? By niching down and becoming an authority in your field, you'll attract a loyal audience eager to learn from you, engage with your brand, and invest in your products or services. Section 8. Building your brand. Standing out in the digital crowd. In the crowded digital marketplace, a strong brand is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. Your brand is your digital DNA, the unique combination of values, personality, and messaging that sets you apart from the competition and makes you unforgettable. It's about crafting a consistent and compelling online presence that resonates with your target audience and builds trust, loyalty, and advocacy. Start by defining your brand's core values, mission, and vision. What do you stand for? What impact do you want to make in the world? What experience do you want to create for your audience? Next, develop a unique brand voice and messaging that resonates with your target audience. Your brand visuals should be consistent across your website, social media profiles, marketing materials, and all other touchpoints. Section 9. The Millionaire Mindset. Thinking your way to success. Becoming a digital millionaire is as much about mastering your mindset as it is about implementing the right strategies. It's about cultivating an unshakable belief in yourself, your vision, and your ability to achieve your goals, even when faced with challenges and setbacks. One key aspect of the millionaire mindset is embracing a growth mindset. This means viewing challenges as opportunities for growth, learning from your mistakes, and constantly seeking ways to improve your skills and knowledge. Another important aspect is cultivating an abundance mindset. This means believing that there are enough opportunities and resources for everyone, and that your success doesn't come at the expense of others. The road to digital millions is rarely linear, and there will be bumps along the way. Section 10. Action trumps everything. Taking the leap of faith. You can have the most brilliant idea, the perfect plan, and the most inspiring vision. But without action, it all amounts to nothing. The difference between dreaming of success and achieving it lies in taking that first step, and then the next, consistently and persistently. Action is the bridge that connects your dreams to reality. It's about transforming your ideas into tangible steps, your plans into progress, and your vision into a living, breathing reality. Start by breaking down your goals into smaller, more manageable steps. What actions can you take today, this week, this month to move you closer to your desired outcome? Embrace the unknown, be open to new possibilities, and never stop learning and adapting. Section 11. Claim your digital destiny. It's time to rise. The digital age has democratized entrepreneurship, making it possible for anyone with an internet connection and a burning desire to build a successful online business and achieve financial freedom. The stories shared in this essay are not meant to intimidate, but to inspire. They are a testament to the power of hard work, dedication, and the unwavering belief in the power of dreams. Now, it's your turn. Reflect on your passions, identify your strengths, and envision the impact you want to make in the world. Embrace the digital success formula, cultivate a millionaire mindset, and most importantly, take action. The digital landscape is ripe with opportunity, and your journey to success starts with a single step.